So, we have what we have right here is a Subaru Outback, a 2020 Outback. And let me tell you some new things, new features that are going on. Don't worry about the kayaks, don't worry about the bike. However, let me show you a couple ways to open your tailgate now in 2020. Simple. See, you do it to me.
Oh no, there we go.
Simple. See, watch this. Wow. See the swipe of the hand? The swipe of the hand was able to open
Louder.
the tailgate. They hear me, and I know y'all hear me. However, we got some buttons right here, and we close the tailgate. You see, you got one, we'll close it. Two, we'll close and lock it. So we just want to.
Why would you want to?
Never know, man. Sometimes you gotta get your hands full. You just want to push that button, let it lock, keep it going.
What if you're at the beach and you don't want to take your valuables or your car keys to the sand, or you're hiking and you don't want to take all your valuables with you?
However, you can't lock it, and there's a pin code up here.
A what?
It's called a pin.
A pin code. A pin code?
Pin code, right?
Pin code. Okay.
But
How does that work?
You can also just tap it. Just tap it. As long as you got the key, you can do that. Two ways that you're able to unlock the door. Third way
You
is
just said
right
two
here.
ways. Now you said the third
That
way.
was one,
Okay.
the swipe.
Two.
Two was the tap.
Yeah.
Three is the key fob. It is a 3-second hold. 2 seconds, my fault. 1, 2.
What about the fourth way?
Let me show you the fourth way.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's ready for it.
Going straight to the people, right from the peopleness of the peopleness. There's a button right down here. It's called a tailgate button. And it operates.
Amazing, amazing,
Four
amazing.
ways you're able to unlock, open your tailgate.